Hi guys, just a very random short vlog. I just thought about why not do another one. Just come out of Joyland. I did say that the next vlog would be Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, but I thought we'll come on the Britannia Pier. There's slot machines, there's places to eat. There's a burger bar. She said there's a burger bar. There you go.
Hello, I'm Lucy. Sally next door does donuts.
There you go. Burgers here, donuts next door. Very random. Well, the reason why I'm filming is because there's a ghost train at the end of this pier, and like I said, we did come last year, but it was all closed. We went to the Pleasurewood Hills, and then we came to Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Had about an hour or so there, and then we drove down to Joyland. Noticed it was closed. I thought, oh, there's some rides on the pier, we'll go and have a walk down the pier. And then this was closed, so we didn't manage to go on anything or even have a look. So yeah, random Britannia Pier vlog in Great Yarmouth. But yeah, you can see the Joyland. We absolutely loved it in there. Only spent an hour or so in there. We've only got about another 45 minutes left of the car park. Absolutely stunning day. The beach is amazing. So probably one of the nicest beaches I've seen. Lovely. And if you are coming to Great Yarmouth or even to Pleasurewood Hills, the drive here from sort of Cambridge area is amazing. It, honest to God, it feels like you're in America, or all parts of America. And then on the way as well, excuse me, I just had a soft drink, and on the way we actually stopped off this American diner. It's a pancake and waffle house. We had a breakfast, that was very nice as well. But Joyland was amazing. It really was good. I've wanted to go there for so long, and I never even knew it existed really until I came recently. A theme park enthusiast, would I say? I mean, I've always been into coasters and stuff anyway. After watching Sean's videos, Theme Park Worldwide, and a few other ones, I never even knew that place was there. I really didn't. But here we go, we're on the pier. Straight away, there's some entertainment and things to do. So you got your super trucks there. You've got the, there you are, there's a sign for the ghost train. And I don't think there's many ghost trains we've got left to do. If you want your palm red, there's a lovely lady here to do that for you. The slot machines, the beach. Get your palm red. I've never actually had that done. Never done that sort of thing. Not really my sort of thing, to be honest. I don't believe in stuff like that. It's just fate, isn't it, really? Just, I don't know, but yeah. Nice dog there. Is it one of them Labradoodle things? There's a pub. I think we had a beer in the... No, we didn't go to the pub, did we? Well, we got to this point down here, and the gate was shut. And we're like, oh, great. So I don't think there's a lot here. It's probably a Dodgems or something like that, but there's a ghost train. Like I was just saying a second ago, we haven't really got many ghost trains left to do in this country. I think there's maybe 2 or 3 left. I know there's one in Hastings. We'll go down and do that one eventually. There's one Huntington or something like that, a bit further up. There's one there, I think. Someone was telling me they've also got the Looper plane there. Hunstanton. See, sorry, I'm all terrible for getting stuff wrong. Like Toaster yesterday. But yeah, Towcaster or whatever I was calling it. But yeah, check that one out anyway. It's the fairs, the Scarrett's Fair. So here we go. We're at the end of the pier. It didn't take long. It's not a huge pier, but you've got little teacups for the kids. You got the slides. There's 2 tokens. You got the You got little canoes, the kayaks, Venture River with your water. A bit of theming, Dodgems, carousel, and some sort of little ride over there. So it's 2 tokens per person for this. Oh, ghost train, it looks all right. Looking on the screen, it's nice and bright and colourful. I don't even know if anyone's been on this one before. Awesome. So we found out about getting some tokens. There must be a cash bar. Well, it is, it's over there. We're going to have a look. and we'll get on it, I think. Right, so here was your prices. £1.20 per token. And there's your rides: Formula 1, Ghost Train, Carousel, Dodgems per car, 3 per car for that. Adventure River, Cups and Saucers, and the slide. So yeah, we've just got a couple of tokens each. It actually says Britannia Pier on them as well. Britannia Pier rides, Great Yarmouth. I don't know if it's probably not picking that up or not. Yeah. So yeah, bit pricey, but never mind. Won't be going on anything else. Like I said, very short vlog this one with the Ghost Train, and then we're going straight to the pleasure beach just up the road. Yeah, right, here we go. Oh, it's dark in here. Whoa! Ah, head tickler. Oh, more head ticklers. Ghost Train credit. Oh, I can see them ones. Oh, more head ticklers. Hey! Ghost Train credit! Yeah. Ah, that was the Ghost Train. If I'm honest, it wasn't too bad. It's just like some of the scenes you're coming up to them, and it happens way before you actually get to it, so you miss what it is, if you know what I mean. I think it was alright. I got a couple of jump scares in there. You can probably tell by the POV. Excuse me. Loads of head ticklers, that sort of thing in there. Some of the scenes weren't too bad. Yeah, that's about it really. Britannia Pier with a Ghost Train and other rides. Yeah, we're going now. That was basically it. I thought I might as well come and do this nice little separate vlog. I know that everyone likes the old pier vlogs that I've done so far. Still need to go and do the ones at Blackpool as well, but I'm not really overly keen on those ones, to be honest. We have been and had a look, and sometimes they're not even that worth doing a vlog there. So it's just nice to come here because you've got other things to do as well. So you've got a nice themed bar and stuff inside there. And we'll just walk to the end of the pier and I'll finish it up. We also got the inflatables just down here. There's arcades, the Sea Life Centre's just a bit further down. You can't actually see the pleasure beach from here. You can see, yeah, you can actually. You can see the log flume just in the distance, and the coasters behind it. I can just about make it out, I think. Well, yeah, we've had an alright half an hour, 15 minutes, I suppose. It's been alright. If you are coming to Great Yarmouth, come and check it out. It's worth a look, really, especially if you like your ghost trains and cute doggies.
Isn't it?
Yeah, little camera.
Camera and a video camera?
Yeah, GoPro.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome. And like I said, the beach is amazing as well. Really nice beach. I think we'll walk down the other side. These are sort of things that are on actually in the theatre. If you like Peter Andre, he's on. Jim Davison, Michael Jackson tributes. There's loads of stuff. Joe Pasquale, and a little song that'll get on your nerves. Roy Chubby Brown as well. Yeah, so there's your theatre, arcades and things as well. So it looks nice. Britannia Pier. Britannia Pier Fun Fair at the end of the pier, and that's about it. We are parked, if you can hear me okay, we're parked just over there actually. Like I said, it is a bit pricey for the car parking, so if I was you, I'd find somewhere that was a like a set price. I think I did see a car park over there for £7 all day, but it's just too far to walk it to the pleasure beach and to walk back again. So we've got to get back in the car and drive to the other end of the promenade now. And some more inflatables just here as well. So yeah, it's really nice actually. The beach is amazing, absolutely amazing. Reminds me a bit of being in California. We went to Huntington Beach. If you haven't seen those vlogs, if you are new to the channel, I know I don't plug my channel that often, and I should do. I just forget to do it. If you are new to the channel, we did go to California a couple of years ago now. So go and check them videos out. It's some of the first things I ever filmed, so they're not the best, but it's still worth having a look anyway. I'm also recently on Facebook. I've got a channel page on there as well, just Coaster Crazy. Check that out. I haven't plugged that at all. I've sorted it out about 3 weeks ago now, and I've not plugged it at all. So yeah, I just forget to do stuff. Oh yeah. Oh, yum 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 yum. Crab sticks and mussels and cockles. The game stalls and things as well. Oh, the camera? Yeah.
What did you say it was?
GoPro. Yeah. Alright, I've got to finish the vlog up now. Like I said, you can get to Joyland as well from here. There's some steps here. We need to go back down there and underneath towards the to the car park. So yeah, I'll see you later. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Again, make sure you check out the next vlog, which will be at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Check out Joyland and anything else that comes along as well. I'll see you later. Bye for now.